Yeah.
So in cell membrane, the only thing which you have to remember, okay, and for your exams is this thing, that it is a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable. What's the meaning of selectively, Fahad?
Only allows some particles.
Selects. Okay, permeable means it allow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the name. The other name, as Hazik was telling us, the name is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. These are the names for cell membrane, okay? And another name is partially permeable membrane. What's the meaning of partially, Fatima? No idea?
No.
Partial, what does that mean? Partial. Lamin, Hazik, Aman.
Okay, it means like some part, right? Allow some part.
Exactly, half. Okay, partial mean half. So partially permeable, it allows some things, half of the things to move inside. Okay, so these are the three names. The only thing which you should remember, this is the thing. Secondly, you should know that the cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. That's it. Lipids and proteins. You don't have to learn in detail, like the hydrophobic and philic. It's a good thing that you learn with me. At least it will help you in A levels. Okay. Lipids and proteins. That's it. The next thing which we're going to talk about, all the humans in this world, do you think that we need an area to live, which is Earth?
Yeah.
All of you believe that? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Aman, are you here with me? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, in the same way, all the tiny structures which are present inside the cell, they also need an area to live on, and the name of that area is cytoplasm. What's the name?
Cytoplasm.
Do you know the cytoplasm? It's not like Earth, okay? It's a jelly-like substance, okay? It's a jelly-like substance, okay? Is it clear?
I have a question. What do cells taste like? If you gather like 2 trillion billion and you eat them, what would they taste like?
Oh, Fahad, why don't you do an experiment and tell us?
You know, I don't have 6 trillion cells with me.
Okay, well, I don't know. I really don't know how does it taste. Well, all the cells, I think they taste differently. Some cells you eat every day. Do you know that?
Yes. Like, come on, you eat food. Come on.
Yes, for example, you eat plant cells, vegetables, you eat meat, chicken. These are cells. Okay, potato, it's a cell. So different cells taste differently. Okay, if you change their state, it will change. It will taste differently. Okay. So, for example, I will tell you. Can you drink milk? Can you drink blood straight away from here if it comes out from your hand? No, it will taste really
want
bad.
to, you can.
Yes, unless you are a vampire, some type of creature like my year 9 students. Okay. Well, you cannot. Okay. Well, it will taste bad, correct? But once your mother cooks the meat and the blood over there inside that meat, it changes state, all of you eat, isn't it?
Now, why would my mother kill you? I messed it up. Leave.
No, because you guys have never seen chicken, how it is cooked. If you see it, the blood will come out from the muscles or the veins, but in the oil, it burns out. So we eat it, okay?
What?
Oh.
Yes, what?
I mean, I've actually slaughtered a chicken one time.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Like, not completely.
Oh, look at Fatima and Lamin, disgusting. How do you eat that French fries, McDonald's and KFC, everything? Okay, so remember that all the organelles, all the tiny structures, they need a land to live on, and the name of their land is cytoplasm. Thumbs up? And what type of land it is? It's a come on, it's a jelly-like substance. Okay, it's a jelly-like substance. That's it. This are now here. Earth, do you believe Earth have all the minerals? Earth have all the waters, all the things which we need to live? Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
In the same way, this cytoplasm will have all the minerals, all the things which cell or its organelle needs to live. Thumbs up? Okay,
Yes.
so this cytoplasm have all the minerals. That's it. These two things you have to remember for cytoplasm. Was it difficult?
No.
No, not at all.
Very difficult, ma'am.
Okay, okay, thank you for telling me. Now here is another thing. Oh, so many similarities. Do you know that Earth, three parts of Earth is water, one part is land?
Yes.
Okay, in the same
Yeah.
way, cytoplasm, 70% cytoplasm is water.
Ma'am, water
70%.
is everywhere, ma'am. Water here, there, everywhere, ma'am. What
Exactly,
is this,
yes.
ma'am?
Okay. Okay, so here, cytoplasm, here is the case, please, everyone. So this is your paragraph in your book. Cytoplasm is a clear jelly. It is nearly all water, about 70% of water in many cells. It contains many substances that are dissolved in, such as proteins, minerals, everything with cell need for survival or for the reactions to happen. Okay? So anything which we need for survival with cell or its organelles need for survival present in cytoplasm. Thumbs up. Should I move on?
Yeah.
Excellent job. Now, the other thing is, so cell membrane done, cell cytoplasm done. Remember I told you that in some cells, in some cells, some organelles are present, in other cells, they are not present. For example, in animal cell, okay, cell wall is not there, but in plant cells, cell wall is there. Remember the statement from the last chapter?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now this cytoplasm and cell membrane, they are present in all the cells in the universe, whether they are eukaryotic, prokaryotic, animal, plant, all of them, okay?
Okay.
But there is an extra protection layer, okay, which is present outside a cell, plant cell, that is called a cell wall. What is it called?
Cell wall.
Cell wall, okay? It actually acts as a wall, okay? Why? Because it is made up of a sugar, and the name of that sugar is cellulose. What's the name?
Cellulose.
Remember, cellulose, okay? Yes, cellulose,
Cellulose.
okay? Cellulose is a sugar, it's a carbohydrate, okay? All
Carbohydrate.
all plant cells are surrounded by cell wall made up of cellulose, okay? Now remember, a paper on which you work, on which you write, which is made up of cell wall, is made up of cellulose. Did you know that?
Yes.
All of cellulose belongs to a group. Okay, I will tell you this in chapter number 4. The thing is, cell membrane was partially permeable, but cell wall is fully permeable. He do not care who is going in, who is going out. He will allow all the things to come in. Okay? So cell
He's a chill
wall,
dude, ma'am.
cell wall is fully permeable. Remember this thing. Is it clear? So 3 points,
Okay.
3 important points for cell wall. Again, I will ask everyone. Cell wall, is it present in animal or plant, Fahad?
Do you know?
No, I don't know. I failed
Well,
this.
then
I failed this.
I'm helping you, ma'am. I'm helping
Okay,
you.
yes,
You should be
please.
happy.
Please.
It's
Thank you.
present in plants.
It's present. Thank you so much. I will pass because of you. Aman, cell wall is made up of what?
Cellulose.
Excellent. Cellulose is what, Fatima?
Sugar.
Excellent job. And cell wall, is it fully permeable or partially permeable, Mary?
It's fully partial.
Fully permeable. Fully, it allows everything. So this is done. 3 organelles done. Did you notice? Cell membrane, cell wall, and cytoplasm done. Should I move on? Any questions so far?
Bye.
Yeah.
Why are you saying bye-bye? I came after so many days and you were still saying that sad story, huh?
Oh wait, so you weren't taking a holiday?
Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Cytoplasm is also called as cytosol, okay? In some books, they call it cytosol, okay? So here is the slide, which I copy-pasted from Google. You can go and check it out. Okay, the other thing which I want to tell you, now from here, important things gonna start. What is a brain of cell?
Nucleus.
Excellent. And what is heart of cell?
Shit. My God.
Heart.
DNA, right?
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Digits from C, right?
What? Come again?
The words start from C, right?
No. The word starts from M.
Membrane.
Membrane.
No, membrane is a
Cell
gate.
membrane. Okay. What?
What? Amir, any idea?
Okay, I'm gonna check my notes now.
Come on, give me an idea. The word starts with M.
Molecule.
From where does
Bro,
it come in?
that's chemistry.
Meniscus.
Okay, see here. No. Heart is not nucleus, sorry. The heart of cell is mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria, okay. Brain of cell is nucleus. Remember these
Nucleus.
things. One thing, Aman, especially you, when I say you to write the definition of heart of mitochondria and nucleus, don't write that nucleus is the brain of cell. This is not an acceptable definition in IGCSE. I tell you in this way to make sure that you understand wisely, okay? Is it clear? Okay, what's the function of brain, Fahad?
To do brain stuff. Like
do
you're
brain
alive right now because of your brain, you know that, right?
Exactly.
Else you'd be
Exactly.
like
Okay. I am happy that you guys are respectful. You know, my other class, I asked, please tell me what's the function of brain. Let's suppose Lamin, and he answered, teacher, I don't have one. Can you just move on and ask another person? I said, wow, wow, what a straightforward answer. Okay, so here, brain. Yes, it helps us to coordinate things. It helps us to tell what things we have to do on what time, correct?
Yeah.
The same, this is the function of nucleus too, okay? Nucleus will tell all the organelles what to do, what to make, okay? It has the recipe of all the things inside it. Is it clear? So let's suppose if our hands want to move, they have to get order from our brain, correct? If our stomach want to digest something, needs order from the brain. The same functions goes for nucleus. Is it clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Now, if the yes, someone else, someone want to ask something?
No.
Okay, remember, if someone have to ask something, please show me that raise hand button. Okay, okay. Now, so nucleus is the same thing. Now, remember, I told you about DNA. Let me ask everyone. Mary, what is DNA? Amir, what is DNA? Hazik,
Yes, teacher.
what is DNA? DNA.
DNA is the structure inside cell
Mhm.
which is inherited.
Excellent, which is inherited, which we inherit from our parents, correct? And it have 4 important bases. Remember, Fahad?
Yeah.
Okay, are you a Fahad?
yeah, no, sorry.
Okay, yes, Fahad.
I'm supposed to give the answer for that.
Yes.
ACGT.
Excellent, AGCT or ACGT. This structure, do you think it should be roaming around the cytoplasm, or it should be in a protective layer such as nucleus or brain?
Who knows, teacher?
Yeah, protect maybe.
It should be protected, isn't it?
But why? It's so
Listen
important.
here. Yes, it is important. It is important.
that is it.
This important structure named as DNA, it is always present inside the nucleus, okay? Make sense?
Yes.
Sure?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Yeah.
No? Okay, now see here. Here is the, where is it? Yes, nucleus, okay? So nucleus is where the genetic information is stored. Genetic information is stored means DNA is here. DNA is present inside the nucleus. This line makes sense now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, this helps the cell to make the right sorts of protein. Okay, as I told you that cell have all the information which the organelles will need. So it will have a recipe to make proteins. Okay, so this nucleus helps cell to make right sort of protein because it will give right ingredients. Okay, let's suppose, okay, do you know which organelle make protein? So the door is cell membrane, the heart is mitochondria, the brain is nucleus. Okay, what name should I give? What's the kitchen of cell? Cytoplasm? No. Cytoplasm is a big market. where you could come and grab things up? Fahad, any idea? What's the kitchen of cell?
That's the cell only.
A vacuum?
Vacuum? It's a fridge where we store things. Mary?
Cell also have quarantine.
Maybe.
Okay.
Ribosome, it's a good guess, Hazik. Good job. Okay, see here. Okay, remember the kitchen of cell is two things, ribosome and Golgi operators. Ribosome.
Yeah, I could have never guessed these.
And Golgi
Same.
apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Okay, these two organelles are, you could say, a kitchen. Why? Because they make proteins for cell. Okay, but the thing is, they don't know the recipe. The recipe is inside the nucleus. So nucleus will help them to make protein. Make sense now?
Yeah.
Excellent job. Okay, finally, these words. Okay, so this is the thing. This helps to make the right sort of protein. This is the thing which they are talking about. The information is kept on the chromosome. Now, again, what's this fancy name for? Chromosome, any idea? Chromosome, any idea? Okay, here's the story. Let's suppose Lamin, as you know, he always go here and there, okay? In his football ground, he finds some diamonds, okay?
What?
You find some diamonds on football ground where you play, okay? So
Okay.
what will be his reaction? He will be like, wow, diamonds?
I'm
I
rich.
think I exactly. First statement, I become rich, okay? So he will grab it and he bring home. Where do you think Lamin will put his diamonds?
And I put him in his drawer, in his safe, in his pants. How do we know, ma'am?
No. Okay, do you think Lamin will just put on table like this?
Hell no.
Casually? No. He will put under the safes, maybe under a cupboard or something, isn't it?
No, teacher, I'll
Yeah.
go sell it.
Well, not straight away. Let's suppose you have to come home. This is my story. Okay, focus on my
Ma'am,
story.
your
Don't
story
give
has
me
loopholes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. This is a story. This is a mystery. Okay, Ayan. Okay, when did he become a stealer? Okay. Well, so he will not put just randomly on a table or on a bucket or something like this. Correct? He will
Yeah.
make sure that the diamonds are in safe hands. Correct?
Uh-huh.
Why? Because they are diamonds. Let's suppose if Lamin just found an ordinary stone there, a stone, just a random stone, will he put in a safe hands? No.
No.
Correct. In the same way, this DNA is a diamond. It's a diamond. It's the biggest luxury we have. Okay. So do you think that diamond should be just present inside a cytoplasm? No. So what did I do?
You put it inside the nucleus.
Excellent. But
Nucleus.
nucleus, I think they are not safe. So what did I do? I took this diamond, I put it inside a chromosome. What did I do?
I never thought DNA would be so confusing. I mean, sorry, cell.
Okay, yes, this is the case. So what did I do? I pick one cupboard out, okay? I put DNA and the name of that cupboard is chromosome. Then I took this whole chromosome and put inside a nucleus, which is the biggest cupboard in cell, okay? And this is where all the things are inside. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so I put DNA inside the chromosome. Then I took that chromosome, put inside a nucleus, okay? So now can
How
I say
prokaryotic cell have DNA? They have DNA? How
they
they have if they don't have nucleus?
yes, okay, good question, Fahad. They do
And
not
how they
have
make proteins
nucleus.
if they don't have nucleus?
See here, if they do not have nucleus, but they do have DNA. They do have ribosomes,
How?
okay? But their DNA
No.
is exposed, no safety hands, okay?
So other cells can steal it? If
Well,
that's the thing.
well, listen, they do survive because they have alternated things, okay? We will learn in future. Okay, yes, so two covers. DNA is stored, yes, excellent job, Amir, yes. So extra safety. First of all, DNA inside chromosome and then inside the nucleus. Make sense to everyone?
Yeah.
Finally, most important things here. The information means DNA, is kept on the chromosomes, which are inherited from the organism. So this fancy line, which is making no sense, this simply means that DNA is present inside the chromosome. Make sense now?
Yeah.
And this chromosome have DNA simple things. You understand? Okay. The thing is, seven new messages where? Aman.
What?
Okay,
What
now.
are you saying?
Oh, what are you saying? We are focused in our class. Okay, so let me ask you one more time. Fahad, what is nucleus?
Brain of cell.
Excellent job. Brain of cell. Nucleus have an important thing. What's the name?
DNA.
Excellent. DNA is present inside where? Lamin.
Inside nucleus.
Chromosome.
Chromosome. And
Chromosome.
chromosome is present where, Amir? And Fatima?
Inside the nucleus.
Excellent. Thumbs up for that. Will you ever forget this? Even if I die,
No.
don't forget, okay?
Why would you
die?
die?
Did you sell yourself?
No. I said even if I die, because my soul will, become messful there if you will forget this information, okay? So, okay, now the thing is, as I told you, Lamin, again, to the diamonds of Lamin, okay? Do you think
Yes.
that Lamin will put the diamond inside plastic and wrap it and wrap it and wrap it and then put it inside a cupboard and then put it inside a room?
Man, I'm honestly saying you, bro. Just sell the diamonds. Stop doing this and that. Just sell them, bro.
My father sell diamonds.
Let's suppose it's Corona time and the shops are not open.
Nobody carries his diamonds.
Then where are he gonna
Yeah,
sell?
you can sell in black market.
Black market.
Yeah,
Sell
you-
online.
Okay. Forgive
market
me. Forgive me now. Please focus on my example. Okay. Here. So let's suppose shops are closed. The shops are closed. So Lamin have to keep them inside their home, inside his home. Okay. So he wrapped, correct? He wrapped inside a plastic, and then he will put, correct? Do you agree?
Yeah.
In the same way, DNA, even though I have to put DNA inside a chromosome, which is a cupboard, but I have to wrap it. And this chromosome is exactly like that. A chromosome is a thread-like structure like this.
The second half after the midterm, we started talking about portfolio
Okay.
management and we
Okay. Fatima,
Okay.
Yeah.
the voice is coming behind. Okay, thank you. Make sense? So chromosome is a thread-like structure, okay? And DNA is rolled inside a thread-like structure. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fahad, clear? Fatima, Aman, Mary? Sure?
I feel like cell have more body parts than us, right? Like their brain has more than 3 foot things in them.
Yes,
Our
yes,
brains are-
that's true. It's a complicated thing, okay? So here, chromosomes are very long, but so thin that they cannot be seen by eyes, okay? We need an electron microscope to see it. Even though God have created such a complex thing, but they are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. Can you see? This is the beauty of nature. This thing only Allah can do. We cannot do these things, okay? So complex things there, okay? Can you see how complex it is, but still at the same time, we cannot see it with our eyes, okay? So
Yes.
that's all. So how many organelles did we learn? Cytoplasm, cell membrane, cell wall, and nucleus. That's it. Any
Nucleus.
questions?